Hello everyone, Micah Fights with Friends here. If you're here, I imagine it's because you're interested in Robinhood. Guys, what is Robinhood? Robinhood is the only app that I know where you can trade stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, all of this stuff free of charge. That's right, no charge on the stocks that you trade. They're a great watch list. You can trade Bitcoin. You can trade all kinds of cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, boom, there's a ton of them. You can trade different stocks. Say you're looking at Apple and you want to know what the newest news is on Apple. This could be very interesting to you. 3 minutes ago, it says Apple, Qualcomm each win a patent ruling. Because right before that, the judges were saying that Apple had violated patents from Qualcomm. Now it looks like it's kind of a wash. So tomorrow at the beginning of the day, possibly you could expect that Apple may open up much higher than it closed today. You can see here, I think it's... Anyways, you want to see what it closed at today, 187.92. Today, after hours, it's up $1.13, already up 0.6%, probably because of this decision. And if you have this up to the minute information, you can make decisions to buy stocks at the right prices, sell at the right times. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I just like free stock. That's where I come in. Boom. There's a link down there below. You hit that link. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. You like free stocks. You like free money. You have friends that like free stocks and like free money. Once you get your free stock and you have your account, you can send them a link. They get a free stock. You get a free stock. And it's kind of like playing a lottery ticket. It's kind of cool. But it's a free lottery ticket. They give you like 3 little doors. You pick behind one of them. You kind of scratch it off. I scratch it off on my app on my phone. It's kind of cool. And it'll tell you what stock you got. Last stock I got was Groupon. It's like $8 and something a share. All the ones that I've gotten so far have been around 10 or a little less than $10. But it's supposedly at random, so maybe you get a Tesla stock, maybe you get a Netflix stock. I don't know what it is you end up getting, but who doesn't like money? You can sell these stocks, buy these stocks anytime. Why not invest in your future? Like I said, ETFs. You can do things. What is an ETF, Mike? These are the kind of electronic transfer funds. These are like S&P 500 kind of things, mutual funds like you might invest in a 401k. Maybe you don't have a 401k. You can look at the Vanguard S&P 500. So boom, it's been up 18.96%. That's a change in the last 3 months. Let's go over here. Boom, 5 years, your Vanguard, $258. It's raising at 50.7% in the last 5 years. That's pretty freaking awesome. That's about 10% a year. You take, say you put $5,000. Let's just make, say you put $5,000. I'm going to do my compound calculator, compound interest calculator. If you're into investing, I would advise downloading it. And you put in $5,000 and you wait. You wait. I'm going to put it in here, $5,000, 10%. Let's say you're young. Let's say you're 20 years old and you're going to put it in for 40 years. Till you retire, because this is what you're waiting. Your maturity amount, it compounds quarterly over 40 years at 10% interest. That becomes $259,000. I don't know if you guys can see that on here. It's not. I don't have a compound interest calculator up, but boom. And you can do that off free stocks. Start building your stocks now and just let them grow over your lifetime or your retirement. Don't depend on the Social Security or whatever the government's doing. There was recently a poll. I want to say people under 30, between 18 and 30, when they were polled, like 85% of them said that the Social Security would not be the same for them as it was for their parents and grandparents, that there would either be less or no Social Security for them. I have no idea, guys. I'm just a dummy that likes free stuff. So get you some free stuff. Use that link below. You get a stock, I get a stock. Everybody wins. Bada boom, bada bing. As always, I love you. I respect you. And don't be a dumbass. Go and get free stuff, guys.